Hello and welcome to Telugu One Food. I'm your host Chef Zena Haflongpar and today I'll be showing you how to prepare a basic thin crust pizza dough recipe. Using this recipe you can prepare crispy and thin pizzas. So let's get started. Basic pizza dough which you can be used for making pizzas, some garlic bread. So we have for that flour 500 grams, 7 grams of sugar, 7 grams of salt, some yeast 7 grams, 30 ml of olive oil and 200 to 220 ml of water as required. So let's start making the pizza dough. For making pizza dough we will take one big plate, take our flour, put it here. This is already measured, half kilo, and make a well in the between. Then we will put our sugar, the yeast, and we'll put the salt also. Add little water just to activate the yeast. So we mix it, mix the yeast with the sugar and the flour. After mixing this, we'll cover it with the flour and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. We'll wait for 1 to 2 minutes so the yeast gets activated. So after 1 minute, we will start adding the water. We need to mix this thoroughly and start to knead it. If required, you can put some more water. We need a thick dough. We don't want the dough to be very soft. Just keep on mixing. So when all the dough is mixed, it becomes something like this. At this stage, we will add the olive oil to it. Olive oil, around 30 ml or 30 grams, however you measure it, and then we'll incorporate it. We'll knead this dough. We have to knead it very nicely so that it becomes very smooth in texture. You have to knead it around 3 minutes to 4 minutes. See, our dough is almost done now. It has become smooth, mixed thoroughly. Again, need some more. Our dough is done. This is how much soft we want. We don't want it to be very soft. We don't want it to be very hard. When you press it, you will understand. We need to keep this for resting for 30 to 40 minutes on room temperature. We'll keep it in a bowl. Apply some olive oil. We'll wrap it and let it proof for 30 to 40 minutes when it becomes double. After proving, your dough will look like this. It will double in size. This I have done it and I have kept so that I can show you the process. It's the same thing, same dough, half kilo. It will be proofed like this. We can remove this. It's double in size. Take a plate. This is our proven dough. We need to knead it again properly once more. So we just need a little bowl so that we knock out all the air which is formed. And now we'll start portioning it. This dough can be made into pizzas or garlic bread. So however size you want, you can portion it accordingly and keep it in the fridge and use it whenever you want. You can keep it in the fridge for around 2 days. We'll start portioning this into small bowls. You can portion your dough according to the size of the pizza you'd like to make. If you want to make 10 inch, it will take around 100 grams. If you want to make 7 inch, it will take around 70 grams. So accordingly. And this, you can keep it for 2 days in your fridge. Cover it, take some little oil, smear some oil on top so that it doesn't get dried out in the fridge. Keep some space in between the dough so that it gets some space to proof inside the fridge. If you don't have this plastic cling film, you can cover it with the plate and put it in the fridge. And you can take it out whenever you want to make your pizza and use this dough.